Hey, this is Ivan Santiago on location again in the community of Kindred, which is on the border of St. Cloud and Kissimmee off of Neptune Road. Plenty of homes here. They will have plenty of homes here for the foreseeable future because there's phases that have not even been open yet, and they have multiple phases to come. This particular home, again, is from a builder that I've shown you homes from before. They are DR Horton. This is from their regular series of homes. This is called the Robinson. It's approximately 2,100 square feet, and the way that it is shown here, if you can see, it has a 3-car garage and a beautiful porch with pillars. Very nice. This is a 4-bedroom home, and I'm going to stop talking because I think you just want to see it. Let's take the tour. Can you feel the space in this home? Being a single story, 2,100 square feet, and only one living area, which by the way, they did an amazing job just opening this home up and giving you plenty of space to entertain. But you can really feel the space in here. The rooms, they have added space in them. They're bigger than your typical room that you're gonna find in most builders. Also, the closets were a little bit bigger. I don't know if you could tell that while I was going around, but I love this home. It's very nicely put together, and I'd love to hear what you think about it. If you can put your comments down below, and if you have any questions, comments, in addition, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is below. You can call, text, email, everything is down below. Please, if you could, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon so that you're notified when I have new content. And I'm just out here doing this for you guys. I would love to be your personal resource when it comes to buying or selling. It's a lot to get and to take a handle of, and I've been there. So I would love to be of a resource to you. Feel free to share this with anybody that you know that it could be of help, and I'll see you in the next video.